Hey guys, the iPhone 15 haven't been officially released yet. There are already some exciting rumors about its potential features and improvements. So further wasting of time, let's get right into it. Apple's next flagship phone seems to be the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, with the iPhone 15 Ultra possibly being delayed until 2024. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is the largest and fully featured model in the iPhone range. A powerful new 3nm A17 Bionic processor, a periscopic zoom lens with double zooming capabilities, a stronger titanium construction and other improvements could be seen. Apple is expected to launch the iPhone 15 series in this September. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will mostly like to lead the pack to compete the competitors such as Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Google Pixel 8, both of which are expected to launch in this October. The price of the iPhone 15 Pro Max has not been revealed, but it likely to comparable to the iPhone 14 Pro range, with the basic model starting at $1,099 and rising up to $1,599 for the 1TB version. Apple has not verified reports for the price range. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will mostly likely to price similar to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The iPhone 15 Pro Max might a stunning design with a rounded corner and a thinner bezel, as well as the new red colors option. It might also have a solid state buttons and an action button like the Apple Watch Ultra. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's chassis might be built of titanium to provide a stronger but a lighter gadget. Furthermore, the Pro Max camera could have a periscope zoom lens. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to have USB-C connection, according to the European Union's need for an unified charging standard by December 2024. Apple is apparently moving its USB-C accessories into full production ahead of iPhone 15 launch. While USB-C may enhance charging and connection, the older iPhone accessories may need converter finally. Again, that brand new A17 chipset inside it with 4 efficiency core, 2 performance core and also that 5 core GPU. It will be a titanium body like I mentioned before. It will have the triple camera setup, and then we will also have that 10 times optical zoom inside it. Will be a big new features, and it will also have LiDAR sensor too. The battery will be 4300 mAh battery, and the base model of this with 256GB of storage at around $1,199 at this stage. So this list of specifications for all iPhone 15 models is very early of what we know so far. While these are just rumors at this moment, the iPhone 15 is shaping off to be an exciting addition to the Apple's lineup, with its potential design, overall improved display, powerful performance, enhanced camera capabilities and extended battery life. It is clear that Apple is aiming to deliver an exceptional user experience once again. We can't wait to see how these rumors translate into reality when the iPhone 15 is officially launched. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on this exciting device. But for now guys, it's time to wrap this video. So if you have enjoyed watching it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel will be massive. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys really soon with some more iPhone 15 information. So guys, take care for now. Peace out.